Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we dive into the elegant world of wine and wine bottle holders, exploring their significance in both functionality and style. Whether you're a wine enthusiast, a casual drinker, or someone looking to elevate your home decor, understanding the different types of wine holders and their designs can transform your wine experience. We'll discuss everything from classic wooden racks to modern metal stands, and how these holders not only serve a practical purpose, but also enhance your space's aesthetic. Join us as we uncork the charm of wine storage solutions. Wine and wine bottle holders are essential accessories for any wine lover, combining functionality with artistry. A well-designed wine holder not only keeps your bottles organized, but also showcases them beautifully, turning your wine collection into a stunning display. There are several types of wine holders to consider. Traditional wooden racks are often crafted from hardwoods like oak or mahogany, offering a classic touch. They can hold multiple bottles and come in various sizes to fit different spaces, from small countertop designs to large cellar units. On the other hand, sleek metal wine racks are perfect for contemporary homes, featuring geometric designs that add an artistic element to your decor while being sturdy and functional. Wall-mounted holders are another great option, saving space and serving as striking visual elements in your kitchen or dining area. They come in various styles, from minimalist designs to intricate wrought iron, allowing you to choose one that complements your decor. For entertaining, tabletop holders can function as decorative centerpieces. Available in materials such as wood, metal, and glass, these holders can hold one or multiple bottles while adding elegance to your dining experience. Additionally, wine cradles and stands, designed to hold a single bottle, are perfect for showcasing a special vintage, often made from materials like wood and acrylic with unique designs that highlight the bottle's label. When selecting a wine holder, consider size and capacity to determine how many bottles you need to store and the space available in your home. The style and material should reflect your home decor, whether you prefer rustic, modern, or eclectic designs. Functionality is also crucial. Think about how often you entertain and whether you need easy access to your wine collection. Maintenance is equally important. Regularly dust your wine holders and wipe them down to keep them looking pristine. And if you're storing wine long-term, ensure your holder is in a cool, dark place to preserve the wine's quality. In conclusion, wine and wine bottle holders are not just practical storage solutions. They are also beautiful design elements that enhance your home. By selecting the right type and style, you can create a stunning display that reflects your personality and love for wine. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of wine holders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite wine storage tips in the comments below. Cheers to beautiful wine experiences.